When an air conditioner fails to dehumidify, it's often due to being too large for the space it's cooling. Incorrect thermostat settings or clogged evaporation coils. To address these issues, start by checking the thermostat settings. Using the on setting can cause the indoor fan to push condensed water into the home, leading to increased humidity. Setting the thermostat to auto resolves this problem by only running the air conditioner when the temperature rises above the preset limit. Additionally, cleaning the evaporation coils is essential, as dirt can disrupt the heat exchange process. This can be done by unplugging the air conditioner, using compressed air and a vacuum to remove dirt, and then wiping down the coils with a cloth, warm water, and mild soap. If the air conditioner is indeed too large for the space, consider replacing it with a smaller unit or running it at the lowest setting to see if it will dehumidify. Using a BTU calculator can help determine the ideal air conditioner size for a particular space. By taking these steps, it's possible to resolve the issue of an air conditioner that cools without dehumidifying, and enjoy a cooler, drier home.